Hey guys, welcome back to another hiking adventure. Today I'm in the beautiful city of Avila Beach, located in Central California, and I'm here to do a new trail that I've never done before. It's called the Johnson Ranch Loop Trail. This trail is labeled as moderate at 3.4 miles round trip, 439 feet of elevation gain. Now this trail is going to take us to some really green area, lots of flowers and stuff. Since it's springtime right now, it should be really pretty. I'm sure there'll be some nice views along the way. My first time doing this hike, and this specific area is called the Johnson Ranch Open Space, which has like hiking trails and mountain biking trails, so they're all shared. Like this trail in particular is shared by hikers and mountain bikers as well. And I am starting off by going through this interesting looking tree tunnel. So right now it is the end of April and the temperature is 59 degrees. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. There's a nice little breeze going. So this is pretty ideal hiking weather. Somewhat partially cloudy too, so that'll be good for filming, to have the colors pop out a little more. And as you can see, the rolling hills are very colorful with the yellows and greens. So it's been a really nice hike so far. It's very peaceful here, and it's just green and beautiful and yellow and all this beautiful spring colors out here right now. And there are also mountain bikers and hikers. I'd say about an equal amount, but I'm still enjoying this hike. You just got to be careful when they're coming down. Just look at that gorgeous view out in the distance. Wow. The yellow flowers are definitely in abundance right now. Let's check out the rest of this trail. I bet you this all turns brown in the summertime, but spring is a really good time of year to be out here hiking. I come out here actually to San Luis Obispo County every year in the springtime, and I've done a ton of trails out here. And if you're looking for awesome hiking trails around the area, click the link right above, and that will have my San Luis Obispo County playlist, and you can pick out which trails are best for you after you watch them. But anyway, I love this area, and I'm sure you will too if you come visit. So it's gotten slightly windier, and I feel like the temperature has dropped as well a little bit. So if you look right across, you can actually see the other side of the loop of this trail that I just hiked. Yeah, it actually just got cold enough for me to put my sweater back on. You can see the two mountain bikers down below. It's gotten really cloudy all of a sudden. That's one of the reasons why the temperature dropped so much. All right, there's the parking lot right there, and I'm pretty much almost at the end of the hike. All right, you guys, that's gonna conclude this hike and this video. This was a good one. Come check it out if you're able to. You guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this adventure today. If you liked the video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. If you have not done so already, I would totally love for you to subscribe to my channel so you can take it with me on future hiking adventures around San Luis Obispo County or other parts of the nation. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Till next time.